day 37 of blowing up Big Bird every day until Ian Hecox DMs me. The day has been very disjointed, so fair warning.
My comment section has reminded me that inflation is a thing. So due to personal reasons, I will discontinue using balloons as soon as possible. Let the record show that I am trying to make the bottle rocket work. I'm trying. I'm a busy woman, you know? I only have so many spoons to spend on blowing up Big Bird.
Oh look, that's me, putting in effort. Oh my god, I know how to do that. Wow. Can't believe it. I'm so proud of myself. Now we're hitting her with the good old Gabby engineering that works, one half of the time? I don't use the formula, but I get the solution most of the time. But hey, at least I'm honest. I admit my many faults. I'll take the L. Anyway, here's Big Bird.
There we go.